Salam friends, today our topic is application for school living certificate for all classes. So let us start our topic. To the principal GHS DI Khan, subject application for school living certificate. Respected sir, with humble request it is stated that my father is a teacher. He has been transferred to Peshawar. All my family members have decided to go there soon. I can't stay here alone, therefore, you are kindly requested to issue me my school living certificate in order to get admission in Peshawar. I shall be very thankful to you. Dated, your obediently, name, class. Thanks.